Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll share with you how you can make plantain chips either for commercial purpose, personal purpose or for family consumption. First, you want to have a clean plantain. For this plantain, we'll be making use of 100% unripe plantain. We are not going to mix it at all with any ripe one, just unripe plantain. So you wash thoroughly in case there is any dirt on the body. Now we'll proceed to peeling off the plantain back. We'll continue this process until we are done peeling all the back. And this is what we have, guys, unripe plantain. We'll proceed to use our little slicer to slice through the plantain because we want to achieve the same consistency, the same thickness, the same sizes and shape. Feel free to use your knife in case you don't have this. And while you're at it, please be careful. This blade is very sharp. It can slit through your skin. So if you are still wondering what business you can do comfortably from the comfort of your kitchen, this is one of it. You can do it with minimal capital. You don't have to break the bank before you acquire the funds to do this business. So look at what we have here, guys. They are all of the same thickness. You can already see for yourself. Plantain chips business is one business that gives you a whole lot of time to even cater for the family, even take care of other businesses of yours. You can add it to your side hustles. You can also have it as your main business. So while we were peeling the back, we already have our oil on the fire. You want to fry your plantain chips on a very high heat, not a minimal heat, not a low heat, a very high heat. This is because you don't want your plantain chips to sweat out its own moisture. The moment it begins to sweat out moisture, it will begin to be sticky, gum on each other. So you don't want to give it that opportunity to be sticky. So you must fry on a high heat. You can see already what we have, guys. You can see. So I'm promising you at the end of this video, you are not going to buy plantain chips again, either from the mall or the supermarket or the store. You'll be making your own plantain chips from the comfort of your kitchen. Trust me on this, guys. Look at what we have. Can you see how delicious this plantain chips is looking? Look at it, guys. You can't beat originality. It's original, no added flavor, no preservative, no color whatsoever. It's 100% dry plantain chips. For this second batch, I'll be adding salt and some paprika. We want this to have a little taste of chili. In case you cannot tolerate chili, please skip the chili part of it. Do not add chili, just fry. So we'll be adding about a tablespoon of paprika, mixed thoroughly with my palm. But because my plate is already filled up, I'll be transferring into a bigger plate to avail me the opportunity to incorporate everything very well, to mix thoroughly. Please, I beg you, if you haven't hit the subscription bell, please hit the subscription bell to get notified whenever I will post new videos. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you. To all our viewers, thank you so much. I appreciate all your effort. Thank you for supporting me. Now we've gone behind the camera to fry that of the paprika batch, and this is what we have, guys. Remember, I told you can do this for business. In the supermarket, this is sold for about 8,000 naira. Yes, but will you waste 8,000 naira when you can achieve more from the comfort of your kitchen? You see how it is. You can use this to attend to your visitors. You can use this, it's a healthy snack. Rather than taking biscuits, sweets, fats and all that, white bread and all that, please do not forget to subscribe to get notified when we hit new videos.